Shai here again. In this quick video we're going to walk through the motors and mounting the motors. Basically you got the right Z motor here on the bottom. You mount the motor mount, actually has 2 and 5 bolts that go here and here, and there's actually 3 and 5 bolts underneath. Make sure you put these all loosely just until they catch the Rollin T-nut, and then tighten them all once everything's in there. Make sure you route the right motor to either your ramps or MKS, whatever you're using, to the one of the Z's, and then route your left to the other Z's. Eventually, in my case, for example, I think in Colin's as well, we actually have the second Z running off the E1, and it's mirrored in the firmware that way. So right one is running off of Z, and left one is running off of E1. And then they'll come to play later as we get into dual Z-min and stops. So that's the 2 Z's. Move on to the extruder, and nothing fancy here. Just motor sits there, mounted to the Wade's extruder with the smaller gear on the other side, and this fan on top, which we're still seeing if needed, but I still keep it on there. Then you have your XY motors in the back. And you'll see in this case, this is the, if you're looking at from the front of the machine, so if we go from the front, we'll go to the machine here. And you can see the NEMA motors with the screws there going through a cork dampener. And then you mount the GT2 pulley on the right side upside down, and on the left side right side up. Both mounted the same way. 4 screws from the top, and then we have fans underneath those. And that's it for the NEMA mounts.